So I'm Begley and I am the installation manager at IMS Heat Pumps in England. IMS Heat Pumps have been running for about 25 years. We've been fitting heat pumps for that long. So as you can imagine, we've seen it all. We design, install, and we continue to support customers for many, many years. We've got customers on the books from 15 years ago still. IMS Heat Pump is split over 2 offices. We've got Perth up in Scotland and we've got the Sheffield office down here. We've got about 9 engineers here in England. We've got about a similar type of staff in the office. Same again up in Scotland really. The thing with the heat pumps is obviously there's a lot of design involved in it. You've got to get your design correct, otherwise it's not going to work. We've been quoting a lot of Viessmann's here in England because they have a wide variety of heat pumps, especially the air source, and they're very good efficiencies. So they're a very good unit. We got introduced to Viessmann on the roadshow last summer. Viessmann have got some very good training, so we're looking at putting all our installers on that, and the inbuilt internet connectivity will give us the ability to monitor systems afterwards. Installation wise, people kind of get a bit worried about it. It all depends on design and the planning. So we find, we don't particularly have too many problems with installations in retrofit buildings, and certainly not in new builds. It's perfect for it. Heat pumps have come on a very, very long way, especially the air source. The older air source would be fairly noisy, not quite as efficient, but nowadays, they're a whisper, really, these air source heat pumps. I actually find that gas boiler flues are noisier than a heat pump a lot of the time. The industry is progressing. There is still a few challenges. There's capital cost, which is always a big factor, although the bus scheme is helping with that. 5 years in the future, I think IMS Heat Pumps will be a hell of a lot bigger. We're more bespoke. We work a lot with renovations, new build houses, a lot larger properties as well as smaller ones, to be honest. We do, we've done 2-bed terrace houses, retrofits, so we just continue to grow in the industry really.